Imagine a future where your steak never saw a cow, your milk came from no udder, and every meal was engineered in a lab. Sounds dystopian? Or is it the bold, sustainable answer to feeding a planet of 10 billion? Stay with us. What you're about to learn might just change how you see your plate. Our food system is at a breaking point. One burger, it needs 7 pounds of grain, 50 pounds of water, and 70 square feet of land. Multiply that by billions of people, it's not sustainable. But here's the game changer: cultivated meat. Scientists take a tiny cell sample from a living animal, feed it a nutrient-rich mix, and let it grow in bioreactors. The result? Real meat, no slaughter required. It smells, sizzles, and tastes like meat because it is meat, just made smarter. Around the world, innovators are scaling up. From Israel's Aleph farms to North Carolina's Believer Meats, companies are racing to bring cultivated beef, chicken, even salmon to your grocery shelf. The impact? Massive. Up to 99% less land, water, and emissions. Imagine turning pasture into forest and farms into clean labs. It's not just food, it's environmental healing. Health-wise, lab-grown meat is a win. No antibiotics, no E. coli, no risk of mad cow or bird flu. It's clean, safe, and can be tailored to your nutritional needs. And ethically, no slaughter, just science. For millions, that changes everything. But it's not all smooth. Scaling is tough. To feed just 1% of the world, we need up to 440 million liters of bioreactor space. And not everyone's on board. Some states have already banned it. But here's the truth: cultivated meat could make up a third of global meat within a decade. That's not science fiction. That's science in motion. The revolution is already cooking in labs, in legislation, on menus. The only question is, will you be ready for your first bite? Like, share, and subscribe to Tech Times for more bold bites of the future. This is just the beginning.